no so ba nyansafo e de ne nsa esi ne fie ba ne yefe ya ojimi fo ne de odi ne nsa na na jiri gu ho anko ben no kwanya me anim na my imagine say me wu wi na matime ma na ma hwe wo.
Oh really?
Yes.
I know now before worry.
Exactly. But me be who Christo and chire bebre a yenya wo baptism efa ware ho abusua setena mu ne ne ama na eboa me ma me hu say aware ya dipa na yenhira. The wu ye nipa fo. I mean fa bi mrati. Some of this eya na eya din somebody bo wa utimi ka chire uku ana utimi ka chire wo yira. Sabi anke be wo ba ne ho the next time ma kum ama me hu say ya ade ya yewura mu ye hu say ye te say ya to apon mu na ya to safo na twene wo ba bi a
untimi
ye nkofa ye kwahwe kra ye hu so divorce is out enye no nko a ebi kra ne say be manya sumie na odi uti ato so erade asem kasa na dabi but efinye ma bi a asidanti anke ben obi wo a history of the ani mama ye ni papa do a history of the ani papa ye ni mama it is sad ye ni ewo ni tirim na ode nam be hu say the medical house say uhu na wa anka e bo etini say ade
okay
but ebe wo say the wo be ka be me na medical ukasa bebra ya na it we bro so penifo say silences
yeah golden yeah
entino nye nyina na de be go abonten aware ye a secret something secret.
Marco Baba Xposed GH and then the semi can emudu kakra tina se menye obi a na adwumu do na sebe wafa akwantuo ni mu da me ka akwantuo a aware akwantuo ni mu e dey asem na America obi anim fela ene medical asem ya apiepie medical kansam nsem ni bro ha me se da bi o menya sure se fela ye but ene ne pese ehu enye fela ne medical ntine nkwanti ne wa ha ye nyina asem bi ababa bi etimi fa aba wo mi etimi de etu ye hofa se dem pese yehu ni a esi ye kakra yankohwe nsem kakra medical kan ni e ba mecho nipa ko amene no eba bebon komo no time kuchu na me kwaba.
So let me clarify a lot of things because she's trying to take me to court, report me to the laws, cops, whilst I've done nothing wrong or nothing incriminating or incriminative. Look at me say, oh, what we there? Ebema who promote business in a very slow. So you want to do open surgery. And I was like, me, I don't like women. We they do plastic surgery, lipo. Me, I like my shit natural. So then they attracting me to what? Let's keep it that way. And normal so you gain some weight or well. It's normal. You're not the first person to give birth and then maybe if you feel like you have some flat tummy, you lose some 6 pounds or whatever. And even a company you feel like we they take self flat tummy tea and whatever self. You go feel use other ambassadors or influencers, make them come stand inside. So in no need. Madam we say no, or person no main ambassador or influencer of the product, so she has to do it. This was a battle for like 3 to 4 months on in Casa because I said no, I don't want plastic and lipo surgery. Me, I don't like that. I don't get a problem or anything. I don't get problem or anything against people where they do one. But me pesa you know. And me corner. Mind you, this is not to ridicule anyone or to defame anyone. I'm just trying to come clean because obviously it's out there already. So I just want people to understand what's going on. This girl not talk to me for over 3 months because I said no. Because of love I have for this person and because we had a child at that period, I was like, you know what? I'll let you do it. No problem. How much is it? I'm gonna pay for it. I paid for the cost. First one, okay, Nigeria. May drink, say BBO, so because I'm not there. What's happening? Because you want to have a flat tummy, you travel all the way to Nigeria to do a surgery. Now the surgery, when they're doing it, they go in coma for a couple of minutes or hours or whatever. they get on an anesthesia or whatever they call it. I get scared. I'll be writing you no replies because you're in coma. You want to do the surgery so bad. You want to have a flat tummy and looks. Business now you're creating. You bet for influencers. That's why I'm rich. That's why I have money. I can pay whoever you want to come on board. You go Nigeria, come. Okay. You've done the surgery. Cool. Even though I'm not happy, to make you happy and to make you be around my child and, you know, keep the family moving. I'm like, cool. Then yes, this is we are seeing I mean, I'm here, John. I mean, to sign him and Cinti. I was something funny, cool. But so they running business like she claimed. So I'm like, cool. I feel by her. Then 3, 4, 5 to some months after, he said no. Now you want to go to Turkey because the way you're in Nigeria, no mind any year. In 2 years, I'll go Turkey. Don't honor will be. I'm like, yo, you are doing too much. You're married to me. However you look, you are very beautiful. You are a young lady. Like, you have so many years ahead of you. You can go to the gym. You can check your diet if you want to look some particular way. There's no need to even try. Like, what you won't go take again, go do. And yeah, then I also walk away with Nigeria. I'm a make your bed here. And today now say no. Take it the guy because I don't know why I don't want to mention names because my person didn't go for back and say we honor we any dinner we didn't. I'm like me sadly we ain't me. I like natural taste. That be how I met you. So why now we me and you day you want to look some way for who? Who are you trying to please? I was like, okay, cool. Me, as loving, caring, and stupid I am. I was like, cool. How much is it? Yeah, as stupid as I am, because I'm in love and I want to make the woman in my life happy. We have a child, we have a family. Why not? I ended up paying. I ended up paying X amount of money for your surgery in Turkey, paying your hotel, paying everything, almost 25,000 euros or more. I don't even remember. I mean, Papa in truck, injury receipts, because the permanent was what's the point? I ended up paying that amount of money. He went to Turkey, same thing. I didn't cost me because me who be the me for baby our side I'm like, what's going on? It's because you have a family back home, you have a husband, you have a daughter, like you have a whole family. Who are you trying to please? I'm okay, I'm content with how you look. So what's the point? What's the purpose? What's the goal? Oba, oh yeah, come on. You have a nice body, you have nice physiques, you have a nice ass, you know, like opposite Tommy tacos now also the fat bisha or to home out 2 years like me okay. The way I met you, that be how I want to see you every day. That's the reason why we got married. Like, what are you trying to prove? Who do you want to impress? Competition be more an hour intia. Opasa who look extraordinary, extravagant. Like, fast forward, you finish all of that. Came back. Yeah, you've been there. The one over catch him. Oh, Oko Dubai. And I'm like, hey, what's up? Oh no, Oko Coachella all the days. I mean, my mom Oscar. Now I call Coachella because I'm like, okay, cool. You see, a lot of people go see me like, maybe I'll be drunk or I'll be dumb. I mean, that'd be how I do. If I love somebody, I don't care. I go go all out, give her my last, make it just go and enjoy it because I don't see the purpose. I believe the purpose of living life is to be happy and to be able to make the lives of others a happy one. So if you are able to make ends meet and able to sponsor certain things, then why not? What's the point of you being with a person? I took you all around the world. I Europe to Akai.
Mr. Wakwa Baba Xposed GH. And then no, send your American baby a year can a warrior sem. Now warrior kura obi ni ma warrior na. Obi etimi a warrior we see we do ni ma warrior da. Because me so no na me feel say me auntie omo nko. But catch them say they be enwom no de ne no ne yakun odem. Enti na me hu say obi akon. Na enne eye me de se me hia maami. oye osofo yere a mo ware no ekra behwe me de sa na me hu no na me bebisa ne say eba ne sai na waware a check this time na ware no eti sei ni asem bisa say na mafo ware eye sa na bible na eka ana say die ntina ya ware eye sa ma oho ye
ne ho ye eso ade
wato sabo di che we for na papa bi so pa wasa pa
me fa so me din de Mrs. Cecila de gajo
oye so for yere me dia me friend no ma prekope because sabe ne nsam kan emu odu nyansa wom e yade amafa e de atumi hofo ma akwa ababio Xposed for chia
me je wo so
ma pacho felani medical aware ware about 4 years ago yeah for sa ware ne ko fe nansi yen medical ba kan sembi osis chese na 1 year ni odidi ofie ni yere kura ma on fa ne ho nka no sebe niam bebre obi ka se niam sei no egu aware ana
egu aware
da chochechemu
egu aware san say Bible catch you say some warrior wo ne wo biom some me ndi me ho biom
okay
me wo ho ma me kun so wo ho ma me nti enwo se me sigina e bi say de sinti me nya aduane me ma wo fa wo ho nka me sebe etimi se aware me madwemu se aware wo ye danya ntawantawa besi ntawantawa ne ba my attack personality
okay
me attack mo ho
okay
ade na aba no ohaw na aba na yenhwe na yensovu ne nyimfi ho
okay
na men sorry enkuntia ukuno you know so wo say no eno no onyankopon echiwade ohaw na aba na yenhwe ohaw yi de ne ba ye we emwa we ya ware no nti ne yi afi ho na ya toaso
okay ma pato so wa ya chekakra
yesu adum nti a chekakra
eba ne se wona watimi akipi wa hire for this law pasa me kan see asem so
okay dedika me dia seda be ma urade esan say me de kamachi no na me ni hweso sample bi ewo mabusuam so much
pato chechemu
esan say na me papa ti baby me mama ti baby nti no me hu se de oba ne be ma betina se the Bible kan say Bible fi ni nachi be ma fi no ni awakobomu aye honam kro no me hu se example no but me be ji Kristo se me kra ne maje nkwa no menya osua me sua de ma mi be sua Bible no hu se na ya de pa anko ben no kra nyame anim na my imagine say me wu wi a na matime ma na ma hwe wo.
Oh really?
Yes.
I know now before I worry.
Exactly. But me be hu Kristo en chire bebre a yenya wo baptism efa ware ho abusua setena mu ne ne ama na eboa me ma me hu say aware ya de pa na ye nhira. They also me no so be ma nyame ede ne chair me no ono de no wo sebeti akasa for example ono for Kristo mo for example ni ma me ne papa nyina ti ase so from that home from that background no number 2 owa hobrase nti ye wura ware mu no ye nyina ye hu ye true counseling ye real counseling ye trans ye hu say ye background ye pe but ye be fa kwan bi so say na amasumdwe aba de me di kanka ye se ntokwa ba ye be hwe de ye de ba ye ne ye afi ho ye attack ye ni padua no ye ho
tu ba se ma ye kasa ya kasa ye ya enfatia
ye wo ye ni pa fo I mean me for be mrati some of the na din somebody bo wa utimi ka kire uku ana utimi ka kire wo yira sabi anke be wo ba ne ho the next time o ma cuz that picture no bape me bia wonu mu bia be but you know me who said I can a bed drop
yeah
what I see ain't you know ye di nneema bi esi ani so one say ye nkontokwa
no nkontokwa
nkontokwa na ye be ye ho popo
agreement amaye
yes ye kan ye
okay
me kum ama me hu say ya ade ya ye wura mu ye hu say ye te say ya to epon mu na ya to safoa na twene wo ba bi a
untimi
ye nkofa ye kwanhwe kra ye hu so divorce is out bibi e be sibia no ye beka
wow
na ye de ache na ya to aso
wow
ye no bi ene kakra ka ho na aboa yen abedu enei
but your age men are worry
me worry at the age of 25 me worry in term kakra
okay ma me be saw asemi critical question number 4 bay medical ne fella medical is a very young guy ebi mo say oh worry at the age of like young age you make mistakes in life is it true
nyeni nyina
oh
because e wo we ni e bet me de nipa mi unu asi ha e twa kwan ama won ba sade oba ko be hihye ne niama enno ebe me yehu na wieye
okay
ena sade obi so be hihye ne nti age no entimi enye yi bebre sade wu kan
yeah
ba obi so ho a nkwala dwen ha no but uwura ware mu a wo se unya ene usua niema bi na unya nyansa unya nyansa pa wa ware na odi kom no
okay
se bia niema bi ho na wonimu a uwura mu wi a
so
to bo ase na bisa wo ho na me se ade eden den na mehhehye a ebeboa me na me di akomanim nti obi betimi obi ni ware 20 years but wa hihye ne niama
okay pacho once I we Christo ni ma pay dia ma me bisa Bible ne say yen fi yen na ene ye ja fi
echi
and can divorce eboa can divorce that's the will of God say you better na see at and obefriend
we be separate yen
enne aware the brain am social media so and no the Bible no ebo ebrana so be worry now bibia afa social media omo ko ba bia social media omo didi a social media and also contributing to na ya worry egugu sa na
me kano me no because ebo ha na worry ni nam social media ebo ho a oye dan ya na worry be social media because oye opanyin oye leader onyumtuni baby obeko bia ye di nachi enti na ebo ho na nye se ono na ode etu ne ho se emeda ho na ehu sese ne mmom no by na dwuma oye anaso fra ya fra ni enti no etimi ma ebasa obi ho nso a na ode ya fefede na ye hu ne owo na ye hu ma wawo I think it is a dangerous yipa se wotisa de ye kan hwe fa hu sie kakra ye bibia na wo se ebeba betodwa ye bibia na wo se ebeba betodwa etimi say ade because ebo ho a asemo a ye kan we anti ase ye na akeka mutia bom na say ade recently me da me bom pa ye ma won Nigeria ni edre ya otonyomu yi oni ko yeah they have it to me no more me bom pa ye ma na pa because Saturday was someone nyina yi betimi asay aware enti no say wo dey ba social media abekire e dey na wo hwehwe ya ware ne wo say hye nyame animonyam enti say wo dey ba social media abekire ne wo ne ade a ene Bible ni bu abura o si ni a odi wiase ne amachi di na ene nyame ho nkronkron no ene ne enya yi embu abura okay the odowiase niama he who loves the things of the world okay I say enti no ade e wo say o hwe say wo de ba ba ye show now de ba ba ye nua wo gina ba bia etro
mama say me say asemo yi your vows ya ye kan during marriage ebi mu kra say yes son because enti ase so that do as part they say on say Emma say omo wo kasa eme nyama nyina bebi mo kasa bi What worry me, I won't tell me. To me, it's a very dangerous statement. Yeah, who say man baby eke kasa asem. Sa asem no, is it right say unu kuno ka say what worry me, I won't tell me. Na say approach the same.
Uncle Ben, asem we wake ho. Asem wa yi pa wo say it discusses ade wo sorry baby because enya no nko a ebi kra ne say be manya sumie na udi uti ato de so.
Yeah.
Erade asem kasa na dabi. But if nyama bia accident again obi wo a history of the ani maame ye ne papa obi wo history of the ani papa ye ne maame enti sad de ne ewo ni trim na odenam so I say enti no it's like obi a osuro bibi enti or take guard ye na anya yi what I say but say de no wura aware mu a emwa said the Radi catcher yen every so woman eti enumu I think from 22 and I say or can say yemre ye ho ase ema ye ho na fe o catcher obe ma ne say do yire said the Christo do asafo no na o catcher oba ne say wo so bra ho ase ema wukuru wankasa wukuru
abra wanse no say o
ho
was a ma bebra be o mbra ho ase o ka meka
say na meka say ya na ne wa hu da ana say de yete da de ye obi nti no no so afa say ne be gina yie na
antome
nti ama say niama
oh okay
ana say me ma be ma kwa ma ne me ye me say o de saa de no ko waware mu a ebe ha adwen ye mre ye ho asema ye ho Uncle Ben ubi some na ubi say no say be manye there no the first one you asked on Tom
why me on Tom
the Bible say we are one.
Thank you.
The Bible say you are one or say the two shall become one. Enti say Uncle Ben what way say me the daddy be tell me the daddy be ti mu a me ku
no two
so because one oh enti no sa we no wiase niama ne oyawo a de a yafa mu da no na yama eno guiding but emwa yen go back to the word yemre ye ho ase ema ye ho Bible said onya oyere no wanya de pa onyankopon ni monyam enum tie ne wo eba ne so
ami bi sa assembly obitimi ware ye omo kasa no say my friends are not your friends are not my friends. As a couple, do I have to know your friends to see even the kind of friends you have? Your compulsory, your shana, some who are down for. Because the eti make us no. Medical some can say, Felanda for be of financing, and on a egu aware no. And it's not me bisa say, as Okuna Maba warrior bar, do I even have to know her friends? And do I have the right to advise her on her friends?
Papa.
Oh, okay.
Papa. Because ya boom. Or say, I think the book is it Haggai or or say Nyankopon every two no bomu.
Yeah.
Senamba ya omba ya abusia kron.
Yeah.
What a shebibia say something beautiful. Shebibia, Yame shebibia say. Ain't it so obi a was si fa pemono. Or planner or DC na de ain't no who here materials are or the be day or the be see as about the materials and say moi now watching na Danny be jiri agua the Bible talk about the making said the all see down or her materials or her for no materials in tia bia wa down for be ne dia wo de ba no e meboa ya ware no what I say no ma oba na nka say bia or hye ne so. Say your friends are not my friends. No. You know, we must agree. What down for no, it was so be any need to be shared the same idea. What I say, what down for no, it was a to me and for you come together. To me planning investment. I'm what Mama Warren Akoso. Once a month. Yes, sorry, say yes, idea. No, you know, we in this nation now, home builders. Any idea? What I say? Once a month, mushia, namwaka, how to raise children. You decide to take topics. said the obey when ukuni beje, said the obey away, you didn't beje. There's so many things. Move to me as a CSM who they were. You know, I want here so when down for qua over.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, pa.
Ma'am, these are last 2 questions near fire come on in the way. First of all, communication in marriage. How should it go? Mawari, as a mother, who too baffled. How Rebecca chair or say communication? How should it go? Is it say me who asema na me who yes me bisa na and as me train na ebepem me bisa na saying that as a communication thing.
Yeah, they all cut two things because Uncle Ben. But who said the many people how say now Uncle. The boy to me said there.
Okay.
But ebe what said there will be
approach.
Very, very important because ebia baby me fear achim and I say I'm for said the one be kasa na different said them achini bet me aka say be na enye say odidi watemo sa na kasa
hash
but a hash ebia nguna ni ana koboni be hunu say asem a wotu ma me de
wayam
nti ehu hia but make a wa ha say ye ware a yade a I say osua yesua ye ho ye wan ka ben wo fi baby and I'm so me fi baby ye tete me ewo kwan foforo so ye tete wo kwan foforo so said the ni panyin kasa different nti mo aba no yade a mo sua mo ho wo say oba ne sua ne kunu ho words a oka na nije and I say even say ba no so obe correct no why bibi na obe correct ya said the obe kano no be ma de be ji atomo ntem sense obe pull correction e bia said the wo to asem ne ma no ebe ma anoden ebe ma wa ji ananse wa ye nam we 2 things niama ye ka kire ye ho ene niama outsiders ka kire ye e build ye whether you like it or yes enti no ogusuka te said the wo ka efie oba also wonya ene kwan bi so a uma nyame boa wo mpai bomu na wonya kwan bi so a obetimi de akwara nso omba we different Uncle Ben akwara ni bo ha obetia no obeye ya akwara ni bo ha what the different approach kra be adwuma sense bi a obetia so ehun hia say ye best study ehun ye hu ofie ba ne nyina mu no ye fa obuo emma ye ho ne nyina mu no ye hu say ade a ye build nti materials be na me de be build a ebe boa what the hash what the words obo ha ultimate ye there's some you be na me person be can Celestine Donko
yeah
recently oka asemo on TV no so I buy obe apologize say you fine I liked it I loved it said the oba be apologize one church na memu but ma men bi asemo oka ye no ho anko ye mame be catch them on say mami so ya safo panyin bia I was see sinifom
okay
me na me catch
am nya
kra
untimi nka
me ti anwuna kasa no I'm not going to say no what I say I was see sinifom because Bible catch say any Christo dia de ntu untimi nka sa asem no nkire Celestine ye anwuna sa aseso no ewe asase so no ya wo ama wo
ampa
what I say
star mo
oh yes star hwe so de nyame abie kwan ama no what I say nti ye mu bi wo ho a ya yet say na Bible no kan so ba nyansafo e de ne nsa esi ne fie ba ne yefe ya ojimefo ne de o de ne nsa na na jiri go nti yen hwe yie
ampa
it's quite strong word but
yeah that's it the Bible says it's like
yes
yeah but your last word there I mean divorce ba how should both partners approach it especially in Kolawoma how should it be approached
I said we there and sometimes who say and Kolana suffer you know what Chumadria ko never be
okay yes
Kolana suffer I remember those days old school said do PT and parents bar
yeah
it was a problem to me.
Nobody will come
because my mommy have to no kwa pay bibi abre am yedi enti but daddy wasn't there
wow
menka emfa Enti yana nkala no sofa. Nti mesre madwen kakra mu no. Sa ware na ntimi anye yi a. Mamo ntwitwa mo ho. Ebu ha fela ne de boy medical minimum papa. Nti ebi a waka emekwa ko tie o masem kaka minimum. But ebia said ye twitwa ye ho no
be ma ni twitwa oba ne pa oba na edin because but I understand the woman who say akola wo ti also be twitwa wan hwe ana say ati ase sa na tie
enti no me say me sister no
there be say brother no mum brother no twitwa
enti okay me say me sister no kan say the why edin no
yeah
onko so anye de on sre adom ferade ho baby anko you no so correct
that's it
na kwan because aware ni eba say ya areja ye ne ba say ya nye ba ko ne de sre ne so ye me ni nyina me so there na me contribute ye there na wo say me ya amanye there na me ko ye ma we ba ye nyina ye gitum ne ye ye bone tum a odonfo no be boa ya ma ye timi agina awareja ye ba na ngo se ba wie ye nyina ba wabrabo nyina ba wie ye na say bibi na waye moto peja wo ho that chapter na ba wie trasidi hihye niama ye bra be na medical ukasa bebra ya na etebro so empanyifo se silences golden enti no nye nyina na de abegu abonten aware ye a secret something secret enti no bomodia na to wano na reka kakra enye nyina na de ba be say bi o hwa wo se mumienu no na mo trans na mo ka bi ayu ye mi say de wodi gu ho no bi edos dodo nti be me na mesere wa wanimu a na twaso na momfa bia ko ya ware na anye yi but munya metamfo sister ne nye wo tamfo sister won so medical anye ne tamfo mon trans na mon hwe se de mo be boa kwala no because munnim de akwala no go through
thank you
munnim kra wo hia de namfofo a o need that confidence again o ma me na nama bontin o ma me ya dedwa o papa dedwa na da bontin mo mesremo a ye photocopy man kwala no o mo hwe yen bible say tete akwala no ekwan ya won fa so no onyi a won pa ho menua mesremo a ye woda che ye beja nti no mo hwe na mo nsiesie na mo fa bia koye emfa hwa akwala no mo ma akwala no hu say na divorce aba nanso o papa anya wotamfo o ma ame anya wotamfo for respect na ma o papa o oba no most of the time ye ma no you be on them seriously o papa titi say wa papa di tiri modern o baba maybe ala etwam no na udi de enti no yento ye bona erade mu aye wade nyinam ye fa mpai bonso enka ho
mama me da se what can nyina na kakra me de ba fuaso ne say assemble akwa say oba nyansafo o build a home oba akwasia odwirigu ena ye mmema nso ye bibi na for sam enegu aware bema opie 2 am na fe no waba bema sebe one wo yire kasa wo kasa bia eye fi bema sebe ne mpena timi friend wo fie wonya bema papa de bia me se mpena de obi atwe na mmom wo twe mpena bu yire bema kwasia ena otwe mpena na odi ne yire atem kire ne mpena na woni nyansa because sebe oba na wuti sika ware no mpena de won ware no on de betwa makọ enti yefa obuo ema yeyere nam na yema mpena po onfa obuo ma wayere nam ene mama waka ni nyina minim se wo a wutie me wanya asuade bi wom wahu se aware na ware no also ware ye no omo decide se yemfa de se ya to two doors mu ya to ki na twene which means that there is no way out for divorce na namafo ya ye ware obi kwa beginning of marriage I say divorce ba ye be start kwa na ka divorce be pacho aware wa onye ready I don't go for it because ye hankola na ye jom si no sabe ye nim bi no we've been from a broken home me worry enso me hunya ma bi a enye se na me go through in all I have learned my lessons Minim say nipa no so wa learning the lessons. Now going forward, you know, it will what? It will enlighten me so that I'll become what? A better husband, no, so a better wife to somebody.
Amen.
Life is, that's how it is. Medical fella, epamocho, baby amadu no eya yetro. And now me te say, fella special kasa, fella in kasa, o kasa hunya. Man yetwa muntwam. After all, marriage is friendship. Edu baby na ntimi nya yi a, we fa na we afa ha. But because akwala woman ti, there should always be what? Communication. Now most say mo hu nyina na, how do we even grow the children? Manuel si I Xposed GH. O share me coffee afọ akwa. Ben Bruce meje so. O subscribe na share mo bi. Mama waka asem ni nyina. Minim so afa aba wo mu. Da se ne ye be sam ba bi Manuel si. Bye bye.